I feel great like any other Malaysians because it shows sign that we are moving away from the race-based politics into multicultural, multi-ethnic based system. I feel great to be part of the system. We want the new government to include all Malaysians, be Chinese, Indian, Malay as Malaysians, and deal with the problems in a multi-ethnic, multicultural approach. Don't just see it as an Indian problem. It's because the national problem is a Malaysian problem. So I just want to see a creation of Malaysia for all Malaysians. I think this is the first step. I think the opposition should avoid say so and so being appointed to represent Indians. No, so and so is appointed for particular post. I say in the economic portfolio or welfare portfolio, any other portfolio. They should not just go back and say this person is being put in there to represent the Indians, Chinese, Malay. No, we don't want that. We want them to represent all Malaysians. Enough. One particular guy representing one particular race. We have to move away from there. Let's move away from the policies which have been following for past 50 years. Let's set up a policy where the marginalized, poor, irrespective of whether they are Malay, Chinese or Indian, can have a better, decent, meaningful living. Definitely they must work with NGOs because I think to have an effective delivery system, the NGOs play a very proactive role. It is only when the NGOs replace, when the NGOs come in and play with a multi-ethnic environment, this can be achieved much sooner than expected.